Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change Siri name on any iPhone. So for changing Siri name on iPhone, what you need to do, open Settings app on your mobile device. Once Settings app will appear on your screen, then you need to scroll down. And here you have the option of accessibility. You simply need to click on it. Then in accessibility, just scroll down and click on vocal shortcuts in speech section. Then this page will appear. Here you have the option of set up vocal shortcuts. You simply need to tap on it. For setting up vocal shortcuts, you need to click on continue. Then here choose the action for which you want to set up vocal shortcuts. So you need to click on Siri. Here enter command name for your Siri. Add a speakable phrase that is unique to this action to run it. Then click on go button from your keyboard. Then here I enter command name Hi John. So here you need to say it for 3 times. Say that phrase for 3 times which you have entered in command name. Once done, then this page will appear. Here click on continue. Then in actions you can see my Siri name is Hi John. Once I speak Hi John to my phone device, you can see Siri is activated. So this way you can change Siri name on any iPhone. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.